Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to build the best team in Pokemon Go. To build the best team in Pokemon Go, consider a well-balanced combination of Pokemon types, movesets, and strategic synergy. Start by selecting a versatile attacker such as a Dragon type or a Water type like. Next, add a strong defender like Steel type or Psychic type to cover weaknesses. Ensure type diversity to counter various opponents. Includes a reliable tank such as the Fairy type for durability. Cover weaknesses with a diverse range of fast and charge moves. Option for movesets that offer wide coverage including same type attack bonus moves. Build synergy within your team to maximize effectiveness. For example, pair a water type with a electric type to cover each other's weaknesses. Communication is key in raid and battles, so coordinate with teammates to complement each other's strengths. Additionally, stay updated on the current meta and adjust your team accordingly. Evolve and power up your Pokemon strategically. Consider both their individual strengths and their synergy within the team. Experiment, learn, and adapt to different challenges to build the ultimate Pokemon Go team. And that's how to build the best team in Pokemon Go. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.